Hello everyone, good evening. So in previous video we learned how to compose a mail and how to send a mail from one person into another person. Now in this video we are going to learn how to delete a mails from the Gmail account. Okay, first launch the web browser, then open Gmail account, that is www.gmail.com, then enter username and the password. As soon we provide username and the password, the interface is going to be open. The default view, as we discussed, it will be inbox. Now we are going to receive, there are so many messages or so many mails under the inbox. Now we don't want to keep any of the messages. There is an option to delete messages or mails what we have received. See here, there is a procedure to delete. So here you can see each and every mail will be having a checkbox. So you can observe each and every mail will be having checkbox. Or else, if you just open the mail, see now you have opened the mail. As soon as you open the mail, whatever the particular mail you have opened, on the top you are going to see you are going to get some applications there. So what are the options will be on the top of the particular mail. So here you can see this is archive. See the archive is nothing but we are going to hide on the particular screen. The archive messages are going to be invisible onto the screen. Then here you can observe there is a delete option. See, either we can delete here or else before you open a mail in the starting itself, whatever we discussed or whatever we see in the checkbox, there also we can delete. See, once I'll delete here, open the mail, then just you select the delete option. See here, if I click onto the delete, a particular message or mail, it's going to be deleted. Now it has been deleted. And one more method by using the checkbox. See here, there is a checkbox here. Just click on the messages, whatever you want to delete. Just click on that. See here, there is a select tool. Here we can observe select. See, if I click onto the select tool, select all, select none. Here, once I click onto the read, only whatever the read messages are going to be selected. And this option, unread. Whatever we did not read the messages or mails under the inbox, these messages are going to be deleted. And if you want to delete only start messages, we can, by selecting the start option, we can delete. Then unstarred, if I click onto the unstarred, whatever the mails are there in the inbox, unstarred messages or mails, it is going to be selected. And after selecting, just if I click onto the delete option, all the messages or mails are going to be deleted. See, once I delete, all the mails or messages are going to be saved under the trash folder. See, you can observe whatever the messages I have deleted from the inbox, all the messages or mails are going to be saved under the trash folder. See, the trash folder will keep up to 30 days. So you can observe here. Today I have deleted up to 30 days. The trash folder will save all deleted mails in it. And once it completes 30 days, automatically whatever the mails are there under the trash, it is going to be deleted permanently. See, now there is a chance to recover. These are the mails. Again, we can recover and we can keep in our inbox. But once the 30 days completes, again there is no option to recover. It's going to be delete automatically. I hope you understood how to delete and recover the mails in Gmail account. If you like this video, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.